Today's topic is Article 371 Clause H and BEFR 1873, 50th year of Legislative Assembly. Why was this topic in news? This year, that is 2025, Arunachal Pradesh marks the 50th year of its Legislative Assembly, a significant milestone in its political and administrative evolution. Two crucial elements, BEFR, that is, Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation of 1873 and Article 371 Clause H of the Indian Constitution, play a vital role in shaping the state's governance and preserving its unique identity. Article 371 Clause H of the Indian Constitution deals with the special provisions for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This article was aided by the 55th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1986. It has the following provisions. Number 1. The Governor of Arunachal Pradesh shall have special responsibility for law and order in the state. In the discharge of this responsibility, the Governor, after consulting the Council of Ministers, exercises his individual judgment and his decision is final. This special responsibility of the Governor shall cease when the President so directs. Number 2. The Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly is to consist of not less than 30 members. About BEFR, that is, Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation of 1873. The BEFR of 1873 introduced the concept of the ILP, that is, Inner Line Permit, which restricts the entry of outsiders into certain areas to protect indigenous communities. This regulation was extended to Arunachal Pradesh to safeguard its tribal cultures, traditions, and land rights, thereby protecting the demographic and cultural integrity of the region. Main features of BEFR 1873. Number 1. Introduced by the British to regulate entry into tribal areas of the Northeast. Number 2. Aimed at protecting indigenous communities and their land from exploitation. Applied to Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Manipur. Number 4. Introduced the Inner Line Permit system for non-residents to enter designated areas. Number 5. Helps preserve tribal cultures, customs, and environment. Number 6. Serves as a crucial legal mechanism to control migration and maintain demographic balance. 4 Northeast states with ILP are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. Summary. Together, BEFR 1873 and Article 371 Clause H symbolize the delicate balance between integration with the Indian Union and the preservation of Arunachal Pradesh's unique socio-cultural fabric. As the Legislative Assembly celebrates 50 years, these legal frameworks remind us of the importance of self-governance, cultural preservation, and responsible development in India's northeastern frontier. Thank you for watching, everyone. Subscribe to Baruch Education for more updates.